Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Ledger Live WebUSB Access detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Ledger Live WebUSB Access, start by disconnecting your Ledger device from your computer. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer. Locate the settings icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the application. Click on the settings icon to access the settings menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Experimental Features or Advanced tab, depending on your version. Look for the option labeled WebUSB Access within that section. Once you find the WebUSB Access option, click on it to disable it. After disabling WebUSB Access, close the Ledger Live application completely. Next, open the File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to the directory where Ledger Live is installed. This location may vary based on your operating system. For Windows, it is usually found in Program Files, while for macOS, check the Applications folder. Once you've located the Ledger Live application, delete it from your computer. If prompted, confirm the deletion by selecting Yes or move to Trash. After deleting the application, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Reopen your web browser and check if any Ledger Live components are still accessible. If any remnants of the application remain, clear your browser cache and cookies to remove them completely. Finally, visit the Ledger website for any remaining instructions or updates regarding WebUSB access related to your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.